Here's your tea, sir. Thank you. Ta-da-da-da! Last time I started the build of the 7 degrees of freedom robot arm. This is what I've built. This is basically the axis number 1, and today we're gonna make it work. For this we need to install the encoder on the motor and also the belt. Let's do this. Now I need to disassemble this one. The next step is to unmount the motor in order to install the encoder. Here I need to unscrew this one in order to mount the magnet for the encoder. In order to mount the magnet of the encoder, I 3D printed this small screw, which goes instead of the previous one. And the magnet should be glued here inside. The magnet comes with the encoder. Now the motor goes back to its place. The next is the belt. And this piece goes back on top. I also have a hole over here. This gives me the possibility to install the idler in order to tension the belt. The idler looks like this, and there is 3 bearings which comes on top of it. These are the bearings, 1, 2 and 3. And now I can put the idler from other side like this. This part is eccentric, so like this I can regulate the tension of the cable. I am not gonna use this idler for the moment. Now it's time to take care of encoder. So this is a piece to fix the encoder. This is the screws to fix the encoder. And this is the encoder itself. So this is, as usual, AS5047P encoder. I already soldered the wire to it. And the encoder goes here. This encoder is going here. We don't need all these extra wires. And it's almost finished. Now we need to power it up and check that everything is works. First of all, you can see that we can back drive it. This is a good sign. The bad sign is that this piece is very flexible. But anyway, I'm going to use the carbon fiber parts instead of this black 3D printed part, so this should be fixed. Yeah, let's connect it. Now let's see if it works. The robot joint is connected to the O drive and O drive is connected to the Raspberry Pi, so I control everything from the Raspberry Pi. First of all, the calibration. Motor rotates in one direction, stops, rotates in another direction. Usually this is a good sign. Perfect. Closed loop control. Motor holds its position. Set point 1000. Oh, it does work. Set point minus 1000. Minus 7000. 1000. Minus 7. Yes, it does work. This is almost full range motion, so from one limit point to another one. And back. This is view from other side. So this part does work. This is a great news. But there is several things which I would like to modify. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because this is just the beginning. We still have to build the rest of the arm. If you would like to support my channel, you can do this either via PayPal or via Patreon. All the links in the description to this video. Also, don't forget to like this video, to leave your comment and to share this video in your social media. Here are the names of my patrons. This is the great people who helped me with this project, and thanks to them I will continue with the building this robot arm. If you wanna help me, be my patron or promote this video any way you can. Yeah, something like this. See you next time. Here's your tea, sir. Thank you. Problem solved. Great.